So what does everybody feed their watermelons? We feed our strawberries. We're going to change from doing construction on this thing to getting it trip ready. So today is going to be a shakedown run. I'm going to take her on a little trip. Let's see if she starts and then do all of our checks. Always one of my favorite places to stop, of course. Successful shakedown run. Check over anything else. All the other bits and bobs. Clean the inside, clean the outside, that kind of stuff. Get ready for a trip. We're going to skip right into the next day. We washed it, and then the paint was so dry we glazed it, but it's still really dry. So we're going to do a very tedious thing and wax this thing by hand because, oh, you can't wax the paint strip because it will bleed. And then you get blue all over everything. It's going to be quite a pain. So we're just going to get this stuff shinied up as best we can. Sometime this summer we plan to paint this thing. So we'll see what comes from that, but for now let's just get it shinied up. This paint is so dry that it barely even takes the wax. You just see it. See the dryness in the paint. That's crazy. This kind of slows you down and makes it inconvenient. If you touch the blue, it gets all over the white, so it makes cleaning the van really tedious. How many watts does it take to charge your doggo up? Are you all charged up and ready for lunch? Huh? Yeah. Well, I'll be damned. The Runaway does shine up after all. Not too bad looking. Shined up alright, I'd say. Needed wax so bad, it was like dying. Ah, she looks presentable. I think she's ready to rock and roll now. Only took a day and a half. What a workout that was.